I've realised toolboxes are just like them old shape toys. You know, the square block goes in the square hole. The round one goes in the square hole. Oh, the journey begins. Ooh. Snippies. The snippies go in. Snippy bit. There we go. Where do these go? Over there. There we go. Oh. Driver bits. I broke one. Oh, another one. Slotty bits. Ratchet doodah. Gotta give it the. Just make sure it's calibrated. In she goes. Ooh. Allen bits. Look like they go there. Oh, I don't look right, do it. Way up. There you go. It's a bit weird, they cover it. We got 22mm. 22. Let's go. How are we doing? 23mm. 14. It's in there. In that metric. 13mm little doodah. In it goes. Oh, let's go 14. 12. We've got 12. You run that way round. Oopsie doodah. There we go. That's better. Oh, we forgot the crunchy. He's had quite a bit of use, so I've given him a clean. What's this one? Oh, ratchet in screwdriver. It's in the end. I like this. It's flexi. It's a flexi socket. Where does that go? That one? There we are. Driver. I think that's the little one. $11. Oh, helps us count. Learn to count with spanners. I've got this little pry plastic thing I like to just have. I'll chuck it in there. 15. That's like spanner bingo. Number 9. Or is that 6? Is that a 6 or a 9? It's too big to be a 6. Did we get a bingo yet? Are we going? What's that? 13. That's a bit of rust on that one. He's got soaking wet. I mean, he's been sat outside, and honestly, I've not looked after them. But I'll hand it to Crescent. They've done quite well. This is like my go-to grab box. They're not the best tools. They're not the most expensive, but honestly, this is quite a nice kit. It's got spark plug spanners. Not spanners, sorry. Sockets. 2 sizes. That one fits motorbikes a lot of the time. That one for cars. All your extension bars. What's next? What's that? Nope. 17. There we are. Can't give me numbers. 18. 12. 12 diddly 12. What's that? That looks like a 10. Still got me 10. Go. Not if I put it there. That's 19, isn't it? That'd be why. There we go. What's that? 19. There we go. Look at that. Ooh. 20. Right, there we are. 24. Oh, it's filling up, boys. 21. Seems fun in 21. 5. 6. Oh, little 10. Unicorn shit they are. I'm surprised I've still got them. They're usually the first ones to disappear down the engine bay. For fairies that live in there. Oh, hang on. We might be going a certain way around with them. There we go. Let's fix that. Oh no, that don't feel right. I think we were other way up. Oh, looky, they got a groove in them for doing that. What's that one? Number 8. See that one, don't know. Oh, weird. Oh, little bar. Little bar goes. Where does little bar go? I'm sure it'll go over here somewhere. Oh. Not sure where little bar go. Quarter drive 50mm extension. Well, that's kind of what that is, isn't it? Did it just do that? Maybe it just does that. I don't do that. Maybe it just does that. Oh! Big Wurzel gurgle. I like the Wurzel gurgles. What we got next? Oh dear, we're doing quite well there. That's 11. Little Wurzel gurgle. Oh, look at this. I do fit here. Longer doodah. Another chisel. If I do that way up or that way up, I'll do that. Big bar. Oh, but big bar. Big bar has a thing that go on it. For braking. If I remember that, go up here somewhere like that. I don't know. If you're going to brake it, try and break your brakey bar instead of your ratchet. Cheaper to replace. But to be honest, if you're hooning on it that much, yeah, I won't get a bigger bar anyway. What's that, 15? Oh, hang on, I think we've done this wrong. Yeah, that 11. Just checking you're watching. Just making sure you're paying attention. What are we up to? So 11. Oh, look at that. Oh, last one. Oh. What we got here? I've got this one too for putting these bits in, so you can slam on the ratchet. It doesn't have a home, but I found it lives quite happily. The last bit. I'm missing me number 5. I broke it. I ain't found a replacement yet. But there we go.